Hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So today in this video we are going to learn how do we add a thumbnail on our YouTube video. So to do that, firstly open your YouTube Studio. After opening your YouTube Studio, at the top right corner you can see the create option right here. Just click on that and click on upload videos. After clicking on upload videos, you can see the option like select files. Just click on that and select a video you want to upload. I'm going to upload this. Click on open, and after the video is open, here you can see the details, and right down you can see the upload thumbnail option. Just click on upload thumbnail and select the thumbnail you want to upload. I'm just taking this picture for an example, and the picture should be less than 2 MB. You can also upload GIF. Now after everything, just click on next and again next and again next, and at the last the visibility option. You'll see the save here. After clicking on that, your video with thumbnail will be uploaded on YouTube. So that is all guys. If you like our video, please like and subscribe, plus see the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.